Hello Virgo, Lioness Intuition here, doing your reading. So, done this spell all day yesterday, so I'm just going to say it briefly. In the last month, I lost my father unexpectedly. So of course I had to deal with all the emotions and grief that go along with doing that. Whilst grieving and going through that process, there was a whole lot of new energy that come in. So I had to grieve as well as integrate all this new energy, and it took me quite a while. So now that I'm feeling all hunky-dory again, back to doing readings. Readings are a little bit different. Still going to do meditation. I've pre-pulled oracle cards. We're going to go ahead and clarify them together, and then we're going to get advice at the end. Hopefully that makes the messages a bit more specific and also a little bit shorter in videos, because you know that attention span. Anyway, moving forward, during meditation, Virgo, this could be you, but I definitely felt like it was an external energy, so take what resonates. I felt very grounded in your energy, but it wasn't like a nice grounded, it was a grounded in stubbornness. So, Virgo, it was almost like a hermit energy, but not like the good sort of hermit energy. It was like a withdrawn, very much isolated, sticking to yourself out of, I want to say out of spite, but that's not the word. Anyway, moving forward. It's this refusal to see outside of yourself sort of energy. Now I know that it's all about understanding your inner world, but it's like I got the sense of that there's other people in your life that need help, they need guidance, they need reassurance, they need love and support, and it's the sense of me. And then I found a retracting of energy, so we'll just take that how it resonates. I do feel like it's external to you, it's not you, Virgo, but if it is, you know, take it how it applies. Getting into the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, we have Shield Maiden, Make Plans and Focus. Then we have Elder, Move Beyond our Ancestral Patterns. And then we have High Priestess, Harness Mystical Power. So instantly, right out the gate, I feel like your ancestors, your spirit guides are guiding you at this time. I feel like you're very focused on a particular goal or a particular picture that you have envisioned for your life and what you'd like that to look like. And at this present time, I definitely feel like your guides, your ancestors, whatever you label them with, are definitely supporting you, definitely helping you move forward towards this goal of yours. All right? And I definitely feel like they're asking you to rely more on the unseen, your intuition, what is coming through for you from them. They really want you to focus on that and less on the physical world and physical aspects, okay? So just take however that resonates for you. I'm hearing there's a long line of people like you. That right in the feels? Right in the feels. Yeah, there's a long line of people in your family lineage that are like you. And you are the chosen one. Okay, we're going to go there. You are the chosen one in this, I'm going to say era. But you are the chosen one in this part of your family line, okay? Yeah, because that's not like singling people out, right? Anyway, moving forward. So, let's look at this as a group. We won't individually look at these cards because it definitely meshes into one message. So Spirits, what else can you tell Virgo about this energy, please? What else can you tell Virgo about this energy? Is there anything else you'd like Virgo to know at this time? Ooh. You can feel it? Interesting. Just be very aware of how your energy is fluctuating at this time. That was okay. Virgo, there's some funky things happening to you at this time. What else can you tell Virgo about this energy, please? What would you like Virgo to know about this energy? Thank you. The Sun. I heard bringing you into alignment. Interesting. Bringing you into alignment. Yeah, and I'm getting that chosen one energy again. Is there anything else you can tell Virgo about this energy? Yeah, coming into alignment. What are the illustrations on both these cards? They both have their hands out in alignment, right? The Sun, the third eye, right? Really, Virgo, this message is obviously for a specific person, so we're just going to leave it at that because, you know, I'm very happy about your romance oracle cards. I'm very happy indeed. Okay, it's beautiful. So we have reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. When I have pulled this card, I heard past life. So this is definitely a past life lover with this upper message. I'm getting the feeling of twin flame, and I feel like that is also why you're coming into this new energy, because you and your twin flame, who you're going to be reconciling with, have a greater mission. In order for you to complete your mission, you must be fully in tune with the energies that you agreed to, basically. Okay? Then we have true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Again, past life, past life, past life. It's coming through really strong. Excuse me. And we have engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So I definitely feel like there's a fast progression after this reconciliation. A very, very quick moving. I definitely feel like you whoever this person is, you are very much off and on together. The whole relationship, it wasn't really labeled as a commitment. It was very much like up and down, up and down, up and down. Not in a sexual term. And I feel like you both didn't quite understand the connection that you guys possess. And hence the reason why you went through that separation period. Now that I feel like you're coming into your, like, I wanted to say priest energy, so maybe I'm talking to a masculine. Yeah, I definitely feel like once you come into this priest energy and really align yourself with it, is going to be the moment where this person, your feminine, re-emerges from wherever. Because now you guys both have full clarity into the depth of where this love originates from. Okay? Hope that made sense. Okay. Tell me more about this reconciliation energy for Virgo. We'll look at these separately because it's only 11 minutes. 11:11 as I looked up. Okay. Please tell me more about this reconciliation for Virgo. Please tell me more about this reconciliation for Virgo, please. The Mother of Cups, Cancerian energy, very intuitive, very intuitive. Is there anything else you can tell? Past life. Past life. No longer bound by the 3D is what I'm getting. I feel like it's the 3D aspects of life, not necessarily the dimension. Like, you're not, I mean, I don't know, but I don't feel like it's, I don't know how to explain that. Okay, moving forward. Two of Swords in reverse, Libra energy. Yeah, again, I just keep feeling that no longer stuck by the 3D, no longer stuck by the 3D, no longer trapped to the 3D. The Ace of Pentacles, no longer trapped to the 3D. Yeah. I mean, I know the Devil is an upright, and usually that indicates not so nice things, but I definitely feel like this is the release of that 3D, right? That attachment to the 3D, bringing you into alignment to your true purpose so you can fully embrace that new beginning that is divinely guided for you and your twin, right? Okay, let's look at true love. Tell me more about true love for the Virgos. True love for Virgos, please. What can you tell me about this energy, please? What can you tell me about true love for Virgos? Why are those cards shuffled today? Tell me more about true love for Virgo. Okay. Please tell me more about true love for Virgo. Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn energy, the Two of Pentacles, so it's just the same repetitive message. Let's look at engagement and then we'll wrap this up. Please tell me more about this engagement energy, please, for Virgo. Please tell me more about this engagement energy for Virgo, please. That's interesting. I feel like some people are going to be hurt by the fact that you guys have moved so quickly. These could be past lovers who never had the opportunity for you guys, that relationship, to progress to this level. Thank you. The High Priestess in reverse. Sorry, I just had to show you. Is there anything else you can tell us about this engagement energy for Virgo, please? It's another 2 though. We got 3 2s, triple 2. It's a very divine number for me personally. Actually, we have 4 2s. Yeah, this is 100% twin flame energy. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. No longer single. No longer single. So I definitely feel like I'm reading for masculine energy, right? Your feminine is... You already know who she is. I don't need to explain this to you. All that you need to know is that she's in balance now. She's really, truly much in balance with both her masculine and her feminine side. And again, once you come into your full capacity of power and what it is that you're supposed to do in this lifetime, that is boom, when she comes back in. And again, you'll know if this is your twin. You will just know. Okay. Let's go ahead. And get some advice. Wow. Really did not want to shuffle. Oh. It's simply clearly now the rain has gone. I can see all the obstacles in my way. Messages, advice for Virgo in relation to the spread, please. Advice for Virgo in relation to the spread. Advice for Virgo in relation to the spread. Advice for Virgo in relation to the spread, please. Thank you. Rabbit Spirit, now is a lucky time. Rabbit Spirit. Sorry, I'm just really enjoying this moment. So you know how I was saying, I can see clearly now, the rain has gone. I can see all the obstacles in my way. Now is a lucky time and overcome any obstacle. Because you can see clearly now, right? Because you can see clearly now. Please tell me more. Of course you can see clearly. You got the High Priestess 3 times and the Sun. If that ain't clear, I know what is. I have 2 more cards of advice or reassurance for Virgo, please. Thank you. 2 more. Thank you. We have Seahorse Spirit, watch and wait. We also have Mouse Spirit, tend to the small things. Is that really what I'm feeling? Okay. So, I'm getting the sense that whoever you're reconciling with, again, I feel like you're reconciling with your feminine energy, and I'm speaking to a masculine. Doesn't mean you're male or female. You just know where your dominant half lays, right? So I definitely feel like your feminine is watching and waiting, and whilst she's waiting for you to come into your power and integrate all of that nice stuff, she's tending to the small things. She's tending to the small things. So I definitely feel like she already intuitively knows that this reconciliation, and I mean she as in feminine, she already knows that this time is coming up and it's getting very close. She already knows. She definitely already knows. Yeah. Alrighty, Virgo, I hope that made sense. This is the shortest video I have made thus far. So, if this resonated with you, I know it was a very specific message. However, if it did resonate with you, please give it a like, leave me a comment down below if you feel like it, and if you feel so obliged, please hit that subscribe notification. Until next time, Virgo, I'll see you later.